Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining us for Haitian Creole Lesson 1. My name is Stevenson Cherry with Core Haiti. My email is at the bottom. Please feel free to email me in regards to anything about Core Haiti or the lesson today. Today, we'll be going over some basic Haitian Creole words or phrases, and I have Pauline Gautres joining me later on in the lesson. The first thing we'll be going over are the greetings, things that you'll find very useful as soon as you step foot in Haiti. Bonjour, good morning. Bonjour, good morning. Bonsoir, good afternoon. Bonsoir, good afternoon. Au revoir, goodbye. Au revoir, goodbye. The next thing we'll be covering are title on how we address people based on gender. To address an adult male, Monsieur, Mr. Monsieur, Mr. To address a married female, Madame, Mrs. Madame, Mrs. To address a young lady who is not yet married, Mademoiselle, Miss, Mademoiselle, Miss. A little boy is addressed as garçon, boy, garçon, boy. A little girl is addressed as fille, girl, fille, girl. The next things are basic introduction, how to introduce yourself once you encounter someone. Comment ou rele? What is your name? Comment ou rele? What is your name? Mwen rele Monsieur Stevenson. My name is Mr. Stevenson. Mwen rele Monsieur Stevenson. My name is Mr. Stevenson. Comment ou ye? How are you? Comment ou ye? How are you? Mwen bien. I'm good. Mwen bien. I'm good. Okay. Next are some courteous sayings that you'll find Haitian use very often when you encounter them. Merci. Thank you. Merci. Thank you. Oui. Yes. Oui. Yes. Non. No. Non. No. S'il vous plaît. Please. S'il vous plaît. Please. The next things are compliments that you might find useful to interact with your patients, especially the children that we'll be seeing on the mission trip. Ou belle, you beautiful. Ou belle, you beautiful. Ou gentil, you nice. Ou gentil, you nice. Ou intelligent, you smart. Ou intelligent, you smart. Before we conclude this lesson, I'm going to have Pauline Gautres join me to use everything that we have learned in a conversation just so you can get familiar to how everyday Haitian use these words. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Comment ou rele?
Me,
Mwen rele Monsieur Stevenson. Ki jan ou ye?
Moins bien. Et qui j'en yi.
Mwen bien. Ou gentil?
Mais, et, j'en,
Merci. Au revoir.
au,
This concludes our lesson. Don't forget to follow us on social media at Core Haiti Inc. Again, social media at Core Haiti Inc. to see what we're doing in Haiti as well as the South Florida community.